Oli esa dos qua. Sung to dagalo. So this time my husband got amazing idea. Our greenhouse looks like this now.
I'm so hungry for cucumber already.
You like Woka cucumber so much, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all for you, okay?
Oh.
Cucumber, come lots, okay, for Esther because Esther likes it. So I have made a little bit like this. Cheers. We have to look in the eyes, nah? Right now I am cooking, guys, mas panaya sede, tel mas. So here is my lunch, guys. Fish with bamboo shoot. How? Every time it's like this. Iman mutsa bara bhat hali kina khabo de kobo Esther bara mama moi toilet jas de paikana kuribule edka to I have to wait now. This is the life of a mama. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Just now I dropped Esther and I am going back home and I'm gonna show you something, okay? Oh, now it's okay. Sobke good morning de aro welcome kuri ase mohala channel de moi itia Esther ke drop kuri na khor de ja ase kiba ekta dekhabo bhabisile itia to nai ho the bats na so soro bat nagamis par ki koi na jane o bat jane do na sob itu iman ye de fly kuri thakise de so soro emok tha dan na de bat laga mangso kon khaise moi to khaise de sob try kuri bole mon ase jona moi to khaise bat laga mangso ইমান ফ্লাই কৰি থাকিছে ইয়াতে আজ আপনি হানকে দেখাও ভাবিছিলে কালা কালা পুৰা পৰতা না আৰু মানুহ হান ইনকা কই দ ইটো বেট লাগা মাংস দ লাইক কোনোবা বাচ্চা খান দ টাঙ্গৰ হইলে বি পিসাব কৰি দ বিছনা দে না ইটো খাইলে দ পিসাব নকৰে ইনকা কই না I don't know whether it's true or not, but I heard that people saying this bad meat should be fed to those children. Some children, they are grown up, but they still pee on the bed, no, at night. So this bad meat should be fed to those children. Then they will stop peeing. Oh, are we asnegi? Beshi na yede fly kuri thakise oh. Itu to municipal house ase na. নাই এতিয়াতো নাই ফৰটা দে পেট মই খাই চাইছে বিয়াতো নহয় বেছি টান আছে পেট লাগা মিট না বেছি টান আছে ইয়েদে না ইটো উপৰ দে একদম ফ্লাই কৰি থাকিছে দ আৰু ইয়েদে তো না সব বিল্ডিং খান দে না ঘৰ বনাই কিনা ৰাখে দে চিৰিয়া খান নিমি দে না মই দেখাই দিব দে এক্সাম্পল sabi itu kan to chiria laga ghor ase do chiria laga ghor sob banai aro yede ghor de na sob manu roof de inka pipe ase do he inka pipe ase aro itu pipe to direct niche de jai gina na direct niche de jai gina inka drainage de jai do he inka drainage de jai de aro drainage to itu ase to yede para pura jai to pani jama hobule do chance nai yede to na so this is a very very good system. Here in Germany, in every house, they have pipe here, okay? And they will connect like this. They will bring it down here and directly it's connected to the drainage. Nah? Drainage system is very good here in Germany. And then here is the drainage and it will just go away. The water will just go away. So the drainage system is very good. Whenever you're building a house, the first thing you have to check is the drainage system. Otherwise, during rainy season, nah, it gets flooded and all and then it's not nice, but this is what I like. In every household they have, and some of the household though, in every corner they will keep water tank. They will collect the rainwater for the flowers or for the plants in the garden. So even we have this, and then we are collecting in the container na for our garden to water our garden. So this is very good, yeah. Apni han khod tin ka asna nai koile inga banai lobi de beshi bhala sen ga do na aro like it keeps the surrounding also very clean, not flooded and all. Now this is very very important actually. Drainage system is very very important. Now Esther and Mama, we are going down, na? Where is Papa? Papa was cutting the grass here, no? Where is he? Let's search him this side. Maybe he's this side. Okay. Yeah, finally we are also out. Oh, you're cutting? Yeah, little bit. Trimming, nah? Yeah, this is hazelnut. Yeah. Look at my petunia, calendula, and marigold. Everything I planted here. They're so happy. And what is Esther doing? Plucking dandelion flowers.
They're bright and they're happy.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yeah, correct.
And these are green.
Yeah, these
this
are
is
green. Oh yeah, that's purple.
And that's red.
Yeah.
Here you go, Mama.
Oh, is this for me? Dankeschön.
I pluck here.
Mhm. What are you doing, Esther?
I'm playing snow.
Yeah, this is for the snow, nah? When it's snowing, you can slide from there. Oh, yeah. Esther line is busy, 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 huh? Yeah, it's good that you are busy, nah? So today we'll be cleaning this area also, and right now I need all these stuffs. This one, I want to make a creeper for the cucumber plant. So let's take all this down. So here, like this, no? I have to make creepers for the cucumber plant. So I'll do now, okay?
Mama,
Yes, baby.
what are you doing?
The cucumbers, no, they need help. See? So I'm making like this creepers for them so that they can go up, 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 and they will bear lots of cucumber.
I'm so hungry for cucumber already.
You like Woka cucumber so much, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all for you, okay?
Oh.
Baby, weißt
Yeah.
du?
Yeah.
Alles für dich, okay?
Mhm.
Alles für Esther, like, yeah? Cucumber. Lots of cucumber will come. Cucumber, come lots, okay, for Esther, because Esther likes it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you? I was eating again one. Please, I want to eat it again, please.
Yeah. Esther
Mama, I
wants
cannot hold too long.
Wait once. Esther wants to snack cucumber, na? Especially when she go to gymnastic class. You are hungry, na then?
Yeah, Ma, but Mommy, I can't hold anymore.
Go.
Hallo, Papa. Hallo, Papa, was machst du? Was machst du, Papa? Was machst du?
So this time my husband got amazing idea because whenever the wind blows, these sheets, no, the wind takes it away. So what he's doing is he is drilling the wood here so that it will stay strong, and it's really working. No, my darling?
Yeah.
It
If I
worked.
find something,
Yeah.
you can just put on top and screw inside here.
Yeah. So yeah. So like that we can protect the greenhouse. Oh, be careful of the strawberry there. Our strawberry. Because you know, next year, no? Only with this also we can plant, okay? They'll become lots. Yeah, yeah, we don't have to buy. If we buy, it's expensive, so these are also. So look at here. We have strawberry plants. But we will shift this in the bed. See, like that Hubby is doing. So this is a very good idea. I need to hold, or
No, no.
no? It's very good idea actually. Where there is a will, there is a way. This is our small greenhouse and it's very useful. So he's drilling there. Esther is also busy. And the pumpkins are flowering, guys. Look at this. Pulula ese pumpkin kan. Manbal na. And here, Johannes berries. See, these are getting ripe. Ito kan paki ase. Sabi na. I need to pluck and freeze it for jam. Jam ni mide bishi bala ase. Dokan de na in the mall it's expensive. Okay, these things are also. See, so nice, no? In English we call red currant. In English is red currant. The black one is also there. But I don't have black one with me. I just have the red one. Areman sundora sede sabi na. So pretty. And my beans are also looking happy. Happy girls. Kadikhiase. So this year my garden is like this. A little bit different from last year. This year we decided to build a bed, which I have this one. I already had this, okay? We were using as a stand there inside the greenhouse, but this year we decided to reuse it and make a bed instead of buying gardening beds. So look at this. And squash is also looking good. See, I finished making that also. It's done. I think this is enough. Cucumbers, look at this. And I'm slowly cleaning the grasses. When it rains, the ground is soft, but when it doesn't rain, it's really hard and it even cracks, okay? So jungle can be olop para sapa kuri ase. Pani girile to norom hoi jai na. Olebi sun ahile to na iman tan ase crack hoi jai de. Itu jaga do inga ase. Aro lettuce can be man khushi bara ulai ase. Aro itu kan to pumpkin, 3 different types of pumpkin, 3 or 4, I don't know. Different types of pumpkins. The lettuce, and here I've sowed coriander and it's coming out. See, these corianders are from my compound only, okay? Mui halishe de, mui rakhishe bijon do na, non bhalbara ulai ase. And this is a leaf for my boiled curry. It's so windy, very annoying weather, yeah. Germany weather na, really I don't understand. Ek din de we get all the seasons. Esteline, don't climb there, you'll fall down. Wow. So nice, yeah. Electrical one is. Otherwise with saw is like it will take forever and ever. Joe. Gase de view to video lo lewi na jane wa moi to like this. So it's done. Wow, so good. More wood na.
Here you can take out this one up there. I put one up here.
Yeah, very good. This is enough, yeah. Yeah, there also, na. The good thing is this one is not lost, still there, the sleds. That's why we can use it, na. Otherwise, if the wind blew it away.
One was broken, I have to cut.
Oh, okay.
But one is missing there, but it's okay.
Ah, that's what I was thinking. Why did you cut this so like that?
One was fully broken inside.
Ah, okay,
It's
but
inside.
it's okay. I mean, little bit open is okay. One open is okay. Ah, it's okay.
I mean, this is one. This one we might can use here at that side. It's broken, but
Okay. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice. Here, my husband is going to do something. He's bringing that log. Oli esa dos kwa. Isang to dagalo. Yeah. Huh? Ah, Esther. Before also she did kaka.
no.
Ah, yeah, acting. No, yeah. When we come out, Esther, like, I want to go to toilet. I want to do kaka. But she will not do. So restless. Help? Yeah, this is enough. The tomato is so healthy. Yeah. I think this one you need to do like this, Oda. This has to be down, my darling. Flat. Yeah. Yeah, okay now. Yeah. And looks like this has to be. Oh! Looks like doesn't matter now, Oda. Otherwise, this looks like it should be this side. Oh, Joe, Esther is calling. I go or you go? Okay. So our greenhouse looks like this now, and we have kept here cucumber plants and tomato plants. Now the greenhouse is also in use. I am so happy. See, so nice, nah? Because these are very precious. We want to protect it. The cucumbers are from Woka, the Ekioka cucumber, Honochonga cucumber. So like this we are protecting it, keeping it like this. And this also we have to arrange, but for now we will take a break. And here also I have made a little bit like this. There also pumpkin is there, kuchu ase, kapso ase, Inga. And here also, little bit like this. Okay, let's have some juice. That's why when your wife say let's order, agree. Very good one. Now watermelon is so much fun because it's very juicy. Come.
That's empty this first.
Yeah? Esto. Cheers. We have to look in the eyes, na? While doing
While drinking also.
Wer hat erst gewonnen?
Mama.
Haben es erst gewonnen.
Ah, nothing can be better.
Mach nur den Schnurrbart.
Good, no? Instead of taking multivitamins, it's the best. Other people they take nowadays multivitamins, this, that. Nah.
It's more concentrated, of course, in the supplements, but this is the real one.
Okay.
I rather go for the real,
Yeah.
even if it's less.
People nowadays everything is protein powder, multivitamin.
So Mama macht das gleich, okay, bitte? So
Okay.
we have to fry again a little bit, make it crunchy.
Right now I am cooking, guys. Mas banaya se de tel mas na Pankaj mas he. Ekdam bamboo shoot logo de. Ay man bhal gondhai ase. Aro itu tu bagan bara loise kopi pata ki lai pata mix na. This from garden I took out. This is the cabbage leaf. Najane ho kopi pata koile to cabbage leaf hi hobo do na. Aro mustard leaf. Iman porta ase de. Itu khabo boil. I'll make boil. And look at this here, guys. This is so big. Onion flower. Man lamba ase de. Itu pias laga flower ase. Mo itu mas de halibo. Mas khande bishi mire do na. Man lamba. Aro bishi healthy na. Man mote. Acha, let's put these leaves here now. Hey, papa, lamojo, unso kamochia gana. I know. Patado na. Ineu laide itiado. Bisol morambara na. The leaves. So much is coming out now. Man bishiase. Here the fish is done. Look at this. I made it with green chili and little bit of red chili only, so I will eat now. So here is my lunch, guys. I don't know, lunch or dinner. Right now it's 3:15. So this is my late lunch and early dinner. Fish with bamboo shoot. How? This is the worst, okay? Every time it's like this. Every time it's like this. Iman mutsa bara phat haligina khawode ko bo Esther bara mama moi toilet jas de paihana kuribule edka to I have to wait now. I have to wait. How? Okay, she's done. Okay, let me go and clean her up and come and eat. This is the life of a mama. Okay, guys, I will quickly eat now. Okay, bhok lagishe. This is yesterday's rice. I don't know, in the internet I saw, no, if you want to cut the carb in rice, eat leftover rice like that. Oh, whether it's true or not, I don't know. So good. So nice the tilmas is. Raja mircha chutney. All the taste from fish curry went in the onion leaves. So good. Parang busog. After this, I'll take Esther to gymnastic class. Once in a week she has, so. Wow, onion laka flour deman tasty as there. I didn't know that. I added local ginger, so nice. So good. Hello. When the food is so tasty, how to not eat now? And the boiled paneer. Patapat khailo bade noile thapni khan alchi lagibo to na khali kha lagai dikhai le do. So see you guys after I finish eating.